along a precipice, climbing to the nearest place. Long story short, it was the wrong guy. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Long Story Short by Taylor Swift. Okay, we're not even using the capo. We're playing this in open basic chords. So your first chord is gonna be an F. Right, so we're playing F, C, A minor, G. F, C, A minor, and then G. Actually, we can play. F, C, A minor, and G. So this is your progression for the verse and the chorus. Let me just show you how I'm strumming it, okay? So I kind of mute, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, while you're muting, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, okay? F, C, A minor, and then G. And that's A minor, G. This is the bridge. No more keeping score, I'm just keeping on. A minor to G, and then F and C. That's to conclude. Okay, that past me part is just the same chords as the chorus and the verse. So that's your whole song, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It has a detailed illustration on the chords, so you can learn them out. You can learn how to hold them there and then come back to this video for your progressions. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you.